Hello everyone, my name is Ruchita Joshi and this is my portfolio design system. I'll be walking you guys throughout this website. My design system and this website content is uh, based on three important elements that I am and according to my mind map and sketches. So these are modern, creative, and adventurous. And let's start with foundations. So foundation has first typography. The typo for this design system for my design system, I used sans serif font family, Monsterrat, and Open Sans. For headings, I used Monsterrat with font weight of 500 pixels and font size of 36 pixel. And for body, I used body and link text. I used Open Sans with font weight of 400 and with font size of 16 pixel, which is the minimum, and the highest is the 36 pixels. Let's move on to color. The color palette, my base color is purple, and I used shades of purple. So starting with dark purple, I used it for heading text and button color. Lavender was usually used for card colors, and black was used for all the footer, paragraph text, and header text. I used white basically for background and footer font, gray for header background, and medium purple was for logo, which was most prominent color and subheading. Moving on to my logo, I used this is my original logo with my primary color, and I have three other options, that is inverse logo, black and white, and inverse black and white. Black and white and inverse black and white where are usually used uh, in print, and inverse black and white are used where dark instances are used. And this is my favicon. I liked my logo to be more had a basic look and with a modern twist, which is great for communicating creativity and curiosity. And then moving on to components. This is the card component of my design system and usually describes the project title and preview project. And I used all typography that I that was the listed on the typography section. And to ensure the accessibility, I use descriptive and meaningful text for card images and style links described in typography section. Use of card is to display a preview of content presented on other pages. Card may be used to link external sites or content. Card must include link, image, descriptive category, project title, and a brief summary of linked content. And this is the code example. Moving on to navigation bar. Navigation bar includes my logo, about, work, and contact. So for this as well, I use descriptive and meaningful text and included links uh, as described in typography section. And navigation bar included all the pages created in the design system. I made this navigation responsive, as you can see. Moving to buttons, I have two button styles. One is active and inactive button. I try to play it with some interactions. So when I hover, it changes its color, font color, and the background color. And buttons give an easy way to take action and navigate through the website. It is used for initiating actions and contains descriptive text. And this is the code example. Moving on to patterns. So this is my web layout, and I have laid out all the spacing and sizing of all the boxes and the all the cards. So I have first my image and little about me, where I'm based, and then moving on to feature projects. I have the projects lined up. I had tried to have a pattern of the projects and get in touch. I'm still wondering if I should have a button or what. Like, I'm just confused about get in touch. And then the footer, I have my email ID, phone, and LinkedIn. This is the web grid layout. I used 24 pixel as the getter size with 12 columns. The tablet layout, tablet grid, phone layout, and phone grid. Moving on to about page. This is a little bit more information about me on about page and my work experience up till now, and my education. And I did have like some section for hobbies. Since it's my portfolio, I thought it could little bit express and tell everyone about my story and my experience. And this is the footer. I tried to have spacing equally spaced between throughout my project. And this is the same with same cutter and as I used in homepage, it is the same. This is the tablet grid and the phone. For phone, I did decrease the spacing and the font size of all the elements. I did reduce them. Also, the card size were designed like in my design system, portfolio design system. I have like different cards for different screen versions. So this is it. Thank you for listening.